there comes a time when your respiration becomes completely musical and rhythmic. When your mind merges in your prana, your pulsations will become regular. The Lord consciousness which is making these pulsations of respiration will shower its grace upon the respiration. And when the mind is totally merged like this, when you experience perfect ease and stability, then automatically your respiration stops. That does not mean there is any danger. You will be living more comfortably than previously. You will be more conscious than you are previously, and your consciousness is simultaneously working in all planes better than previously. This is what is called pranayama. In the pranayama of Patanjali, the respiration stops. You are not expected to stop respiration in the name of Kumbhaka. You will be happiness and ease inside. Until you call the mind outside once again, the mind will not come out into the environment. The moment you call the mind once again out, respiration automatically begins. This is what happens in the pranayama of Patanjali. And then you can call the mind from the senses any time you like, simply by following the process of these 3 steps. That is the process of making the respiration uniform, soft and slow, observing your respiration as long you are respiring, and uttering Om and listening to it. By doing this within a few seconds, you will be able to call the mind into the heart any time you want. This is the 4th step called pratyahara, or the absorption of the activity of the senses into the mind and the activity of the mind into the Lord. After some time, you are expected once again to turn to the outer world. Now you apply this state of existence to something you prescribe. Previously, the mind was wandering in something which you did not prescribe. That is the environment. But now the mind stands with you as your faithful servant, and you are expected to prescribe something to the mind for the next step of practice. Take any sentence from any scripture you like. Apply this state of mind to that sentence. The mind stands with that sentence without moving hither and thither, and you will receive the light of that sentence. You will receive the Lord who is existing in that sentence, and afterwards you can apply it to any picture of the Lord. The picture stands as long as you want, and it reveals the secrets of the Lord as long as it is with you. It begins to shed its light upon you. This is called, what is called dharana, contemplation.